So this is why we wanted to replace the hoses, because this has been rubbing for a while.
Oh,
and that would have left him stranded. I mean, that is, Bobby, feel how thin that is right there. Yeah, you could probably put your finger through it.
Anthony drove this thing to Santa Barbara and back.
Yep, like that.
He's lucky he got home.
Yeah, exactly.
That's bad. And what sucks is that's a new hose.
Yeah.
New-ish.
I mean, we don't know who put it in, so, I mean, and it happens.
Well,
mistakes happen. I don't care how good people are. I've made mistakes. Yes, I actually admitted that on camera. I make mistakes, but they're normally somebody else's.
I know you made some mistakes. They're called children.
None of my children are mistakes. None of them.
I'm a mistake.
We know this.
Mama says I was a drunken night in Glendale back at their condo.
All of my kids were.
And
I was drunk.
Danielle said Carson was made by Jose Cuervo. So.
Nope, mine was. Nicholas was Crown Royal and Coke. Robbie was Jack and Coke. Jonathan was beer. So you get the idea of what happens when I'm drunk.
You put your wiener in things?
I do. But
on that note,
just to reiterate, that's why we wanted to replace it, because that's really bad.
Yeah, that's
not
double checking your work. Because if they double check their work, all you have to do is loosen it.
You would have smelled it immediately.
Twist, you know, do a twist here, twist there, and it would have been fine.
Yep, exactly. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's out there. No, say it ain't so.
Hello.
Oh.
Oh. Well,
it was stuck. Gee, can we see why? Wow.
I know, but it goes to the...
So, on that note, we'll let them finish their conversation and we'll get back to work. See you.